Hi there! Welcome to Marketech. In this video, we will make transparent text effect. Let's begin. Select design of your choice. We have selected Facebook post. Choose any template as per your requirement. We are going to select template with black background. Remove elements you don't need. Now we are going to use any cutout image. We already have a cutout image ready with us. Now we will paste the cutout image and we'll adjust it. Now add the text, change its color and select the font. The font we are using is Glacial Indifference. You can easily adjust text and line spacing. Once you have finally adjusted the text, duplicate it. Send original text to the back of the cutout image. Bring the duplicated text on the same position above the cutout image. Now apply effect on duplicated text and select Hollow. Ta-da! Your transparent text effect design is ready.